Evidence-based practice is making the best clinical decision by using the evidence of the individual's care. So essentially using not only just your clinical expertise, the best research evidence, but also including your patient and their values and their preferences on everything. Evidence alone can't be used to make the one clinical decision, because then at that point you wouldn't be including your patient and their preferences and what they want to do. So of course the first thing you do is assess the patient, find the clinical problem, where's the questions coming from, and then from there apply your questions, make sure they're well clinically built, and that they go along with the whole PICO, so the patient problem, the intervention, the comparison, and the outcome. What are we going to do with these things? And then from there, acquire evidence, research, go out and look for what you need to help make the best clinical decisions possible that go along with your clinical expertise. From there, appraise that evidence, see what really works for you, what can help you, and then with that evidence, see how true it is, how accurate, and also use, is this actually going to go along with what I'm doing? If it's an ankle sprain, you're researching different, modalities, it does no good to look up something that has to do with, like, concussions. They don't correlate. So you want to definitely have stuff that fits with what you're doing in order to help the patient in the future. Then apply it. Basically, talk to your patient, see what they're thinking about your evidence, match with their clinical expertise, patient preference, and basically apply it to their practice, and you'll have a happy patient. After you do all these things, make sure you sit back, self-evaluate, and go ahead and decide on your own performance, what you've done.